Welcome to Lund Animal Hospital in Boca Raton. We are a full-service veterinary medical facility offering the highest quality diagnostic, surgical, and preventive care services. We understand that your pet is an important member of your family and are committed to the health and well-being of all our patients. Dr. Scott and Christy Lund are graduates of the University of Florida and have more than 40 years of combined experience in veterinary medicine. At Lund Animal Hospital, our state-of-the-art surgical suite is equipped to handle everything from spaying and neutering to laser surgery and more complex procedures. Our on-site diagnostic laboratory is outfitted with the latest technology to ensure that your pet receives the best diagnostic services and preventive care treatment available. We also offer a full line of products for all of your pet nutrition needs. When you're away, we treat your pet like our own. Our air-conditioned boarding facilities feature fold-down beds and internet camera monitoring. We invite you to stop by and take a tour of our facilities. We are open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Call us today to schedule your appointment.